I'm going to show you two of the newest Canva updates you need to know before 2025 ends. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. Now let me show you the first update. This one has already been out for a few weeks or even a month, and it is the Ask Canva feature. You might have already seen this pop up every time you select a text or an element that says Ask Canva. At first, I honestly found it annoying because I did not know how to use it or what it was really for. But let me show you how I personally use it. For example, if I have a text right here and I want to turn it into something more eye-catching, but I cannot find the right text effect or element style, instead of wasting time scrolling through all the options, I simply select my text, click on Ask Canva, and type a prompt for how I want it to look. After that, I press enter, and Canva instantly starts generating new design styles for my text. I just click it, and it gets applied directly to my canvas. No extra steps needed. Now let us move on to the second update, and I am proud to say that this one is very new. You can now copy the art style of one element and apply it to another element. This means you no longer have to look for matching sets, collections, or similar designs just to keep your layout consistent. Here's how you do it. First, select the element that already has the style you want. Then, go to the floating toolbar and click the copy style icon. After that, choose Copy Art Style. What Canva will do is copy the full visual style of that element. To apply it, just click the second element that has a different style, and Canva will automatically transform it to match the original one. This is perfect for keeping your designs clean and consistent without extra work. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. I hope this helped you discover the newest Canva updates before 2025 ends, and don't forget to join our free tutorial on how to sell Canva templates online, where we'll teach you the exact steps to create your own templates, set up a free online store, and market your designs effectively so you can start generating sales. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.